Hi everybody. Today I'm just going to show you how to make a new GMS file for a macro. We're going to be using CorelDraw X3. I'm using XP mode, so you can find your GMS files here. That's C, Program Files, Corel, Graphics Suite 13, Draw GMS. I like to put them in the user folder though. So that would be Documents and Settings, and then it doesn't show here, so we want to go to Tools, Folder Options, View, Show Hidden Files and Folders. We go to Application Data, Corel, Graphics 13, and then it's Draw GMS. There's the path you need to remember. Good idea to make a shortcut of this path so you can easily get to it. So basically all you do is New, Text Document. No extensions, so we got to add the extension there. So go back to Folder Options, View, and hide extensions for known file types. We want to uncheck this. Hit Apply. See our new text document. Rename it to anything you want. So we're going to name it My Macros, and then .gms. Now, if you want to change the extension, sure do. Yes. Now we can run CorelDraw X3. Same thing in the older versions, even X4, 5, 6, all the same. Once you run it, you're going to hit, you can do it this way, Visual Basic. It's your Visual Basic editor. I like to hit the shortcut Alt F11, so we'll just hit Alt F11. And then this is the project viewer, and these are the properties. So we want to find, here it is, and we want to give it a name right here, the same thing, My Macros. So we'll go My Macros. Now it'll show up here as My Macros. So if you notice, we don't have anything in there. This macro storage is mostly used for events, so we don't want to put our macro code in there. So we're going to right click here, Insert Module. I always give these modules a GDG. That way when I type in a sub, as long as it's not a private sub, my first macro, it'll show up in your Tools Options Customization for CorelDraw as GDG.MyFirstMacro. So we'll put message box, and then we'll go hello, and there's our first macro. You could hit save right here just to be sure. I like to do this often when I'm writing a lot of code, so I'll hit save. Just one quick thing to show you here. If we right click on the macro and we hit properties, you can name it here as well and go to the protection, lock project for viewing, type in a password, and the project will be protected. So we hit OK there. We can close out here. We can go to Tools, Options, or Tools Customization, Commands. We select Macros, and we will see GDG, My First Macro. Basically just drag and drop that on the toolbar somewhere. This will run your macro. You can assign it a shortcut key or an appearance. We're going to give it a little icon here with a star. Hit OK. And hello. Piece of cake.